The Academic Requirements Report is an interactive tool that allows you to review current and up-to-date details regarding your progress toward degree completion. To access the Academic Requirements Report, or ARR, log in to sso.csulb.edu with your Beach ID number and password. Once you're logged in, select MyCSULB Student Center. The ARR can be found in the Other Academics pull-down menu next to your schedule under the Academics heading near the top of the page. Please open a new browser window and navigate to your own ARR so that you may follow along. Select Academic Requirements and then click the Advance arrow. It may take a moment, but this will open your ARR. At the top of the ARR, the Current Academic Objective box has your official program and plan objectives. The Current Academic Summary box displays the last term you registered, your academic standing, and your overall and CSULB GPAs. Scrolling down the report, there is an icon legend that explains how to read notations in the report. The most important icons to focus on will be any green arrows or checks, yellow diamonds, and red squares. Green arrows or checks indicate that the adjacent requirement has been satisfied with either transfer coursework or a course completed at CSULB. Yellow diamonds indicate that a requirement is being satisfied with coursework that you are currently registered for but have not yet finished. Red squares indicate requirements that are not being met through current or previous coursework. So these requirements are what you should focus most on for registration. Using the red squares as a guide, you can find requirements that you can draw from for your enrollment for the upcoming term. Beyond the icon legend, each requirement is separated by a subheading bar. If you have already satisfied requirements under a subheading, then that requirement will be collapsed automatically and display a green arrow or check. Readiness for Writing Intensive Capstone relates to the Graduation Writing Assessment Requirement, or GWAR, which all students must complete as a requirement to graduate. The rest of your ARR will be broken up into multiple sections depending on your academic plan. The number of sections will vary based on your personal plan. At the top you will find the unit and GPA requirements for your specific program. Once you scroll past that, you will see the different course requirements. This will let you know which courses are needed to be completed in order to finish your degree. Typically, you will begin with the lower division major courses in order to prepare for the upper division major courses. Some requirements are specific and will need only one or two options to fulfill that designation, but other areas may provide you with more choice. If you do not know which courses could satisfy the major elective requirement, the ARR provides you with a View Course List section that shows you any and all compatible courses. At the bottom of the ARR, you will see any unassigned courses. If you have courses here, you will want to contact your advisor after your orientation. As you follow along, make note of any outstanding major or GE requirements in order to help you build your schedule. The ARR will be one of the best tools you have to plan your schedule every semester and ensure that you are on track to graduate.